Yeah, dude,
Wow.
that thing that's hot.
Cook a chicken.
Oh, nice.
And I didn't really beat the snot out
That
of it.
actually, we're feeling really nice right now.
That's actually kind of good. I like this.
What do you got for a clutch?
Spec Stage 2 Plus.
Yeah, his friends bought it.
Yeah. I had the thing
Real
sit for
talk.
2.5 years, dude, and I was just like, nah, dude, like, whatever, I'm not thinking about it, I don't care. All my friends pitched in like $50, dude, for Christmas, dude, and like, I was at my buddy's Christmas party, they're like, hey, I see a box coming downstairs, like, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill all of you, dude. And I was like, oh,
I'm really surprised your transmission's really clean, though.
my brother painted that recently went on.
Yeah?
Yeah, some of them
Yep. I did put the LSD in there, that's why.
Did
I
you?
got the LSD in there,
Nice.
so I put that in there. My brother was like, oh, you
What's
know
the
what? We'll spray
qualif?
clean it and we'll spray paint it. And I'm like, dude, it's gonna be the nicest part of the car. You don't have to do that.
What type of turbo?
Huh?
What type of turbo, though?
It's a TDO 620G. It's just got a fucking cheapy eBay housing on it. I don't even know what it came out of. I got it from New Mexico. I was like, all right, cool. Put it in there. I don't know if you guys know Brett Hinkle, but that's where the bottom end came from in that turbo.
All right, you want to get walking again?
He's out there. I think it was Omnis's old bottom end that's in this car right now.
Sounds really good.
Healthy. Like overall, it's not that bad. Not until I open it up and the wastegate opens. Then it gets ignorant.
What are you pushing now, though?
17, 18.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, it's fun. You open it up, it's like, oh, torque's there. You're like, oh, it's into the lane.
Oh, you got that.
I walked it. You gotta go to the neon pages, dude.
Oh, shit. Then over here, we got this thing. Look at this thing. Nuts. Stock turbo also.
You really want to?
I'm only kidding.
Look at this, you guys. That is custom right there. SRT4 gauge. And then he's got some gauges in the middle console. That is dope. Boost, oil, air, fuel. That is dope. What's this for?
Fan override.
Fan override. Because your fans don't kick on automatically, right?
No, they do.
Mine, I had an issue with that with my Neon.
They get in traffic, but they get a little warm.
What year is this?
91.
91. Wow. Wow. That is nuts.
Lexi doesn't want the ball. She wants food. No.
Hey, you got cobwebs right here, buddy.
Yeah.
Little, you got cobwebs.
I don't drive it much.
And the intercooler is a stock Neon SRT4 intercooler, just flipped upside down. It's nuts. Boomer fuel rail. Aeromotive. That's what I have. Then we got big mics.
What if you were to just get color lights?
I have to sit down and I have a lot of.
They never call me. Serious? That's my first.
Yo, Mike, your intake manifold's dirty, bro. You gotta wipe that, right? Right there. Right in the middle. Look at this dude, he's actually getting something to clean his car.
I'm like ashamed to be like right now.
What do we got? What do we got?
Look at this dude, he's actually coming above his...
Hey, shut the camera off.
Oh, God.
I love you.
Looking clean, Mike.
Mortified.
With the Viper seats, you guys remember this, right? Ooh, they look, wow. Dude, this suede? Oh my God.
Yeah, it's the Viper. I told you.
Oh.
And I Yeah.
You guys, they are. They're suede. They're suede. And the brand new cutouts. Are they brand new?
That passenger seat's brand new, sitting in a box. The driver needs a little bit of love because that's the one he used.
Yeah, we all know. Too bad we can't like take them and switch
To
them.
find another passenger because I'd figure out a way to switch it. But, yeah, upholstery guys.
Looks
don't look
way
at it.
better, dude.
Oh my god.
Way
the wheel,
better.
The wheel just topped it right off.
Oh, I didn't even check that out,
The
though.
wheel is my favorite part right now. It's like stares at me.
Yeah, but I don't know if I feel like if you sent that out and got it carbon fiber wrap, legit carbon fiber wrap to match your fenders, and they're only like
They make it one.
it's only $350.
Yeah.
Only
Well, they
$350.
make one with the blue stitching to match the seats.
Where's the ball?
You'll never find it.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's dope.
It's
Looking
just
good.
because it's a half inch smaller. The turning radius just isn't that bad anymore.
Yeah,
That's what it stock was.
that's what's up. Looks way better. And then the seats, dude. The seats, nuts. Where you live again?
Full hip.
The solar yellow. This one's from Connecticut. And then we got this one.
Are those factory stripes or are they?
Look at that. Look at that valve cover.
Oh yeah, the other ones were runs though.
That's dope.
Good for like 10 years. I had them. I just fucking. One of my.
I've never seen this combo.
So I just gave them whatever.
That's the first time I've ever seen that. I need to get one of these for my trunk for my neon. So, out of all these neons you guys see, besides my Caliber, what's your favorite? Comment down below. Let me know. We got a Band-Aid right here. You got Boo Boo. There's the RT. I think this is the another Band-Aid Boo Boo. And then we got my I don't know really what you want to call this, mobile, I guess. And we got Smiley's White Beauty, White Girl. We got Lita's STI, which is not her boyfriend's car. Done by Dan's Auto Body in Peabody, Mass. Part of Envious up in New Hampshire. Which I've rolled that car. I've rolled that car. Smiley's. His bumper is a little dirty. Nasty. So we got a few more coming. She finally pulled up. You guys, if you guys know who this is, comment down below. Let me know who this is. Damn. To actually see this car in person for the first time. Clean.
The car didn't even run any better. Oh, yeah, she's got a fucking sprayer. See, I want something like that. That'd help out shit.
Hey, your rear quarter panel's dirty. Just kidding. Damn.
He bought the hood that was on that car. But that car was like completely riced out. You know,
So Magno's old white car has the hood from that?
Look at that splitter.
do you know Fahid?
Fahij, yeah.
That's his old car. The
Oh
white
shit,
one.
no way!
Yeah. Did you see it before?
Yeah, it didn't look bad before either.
No, like before. It was like.
Can we pop the hood?
Can I?
Can I? Oh, can you?
No. Now, do you have both pins and latch, or just pins?
I was waiting for her to open the door. I didn't even realize the latches were there.
Yeah, I mean, I can open it before I remove the pins.
Yeah, but you don't want to. Yeah, I know.
Put the pressure on them.
Oh, oh,
Everything straight.
oh,
Everyone likes
oh.
So what's up with the autographs?
I know. What's up with the autographs?
That's Ralph Gilles, president and I don't know, whatever he is of SRT, and that's Ross Bentley. He's one of the most sought after race coaches in the world.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah, we had him come
How'd you
down.
manage that? How'd you manage that one?
We had him come down to do like a private training weekend
Yep.
for some drivers. When was that? 2 years ago we had him come out? That was Anthony's doing.
Is stock turbo?
No, it's a FP green. Mopar Stage 3.
Well, I've heard of the greens.
Yeah, there's like, I don't know, 25 of them built. Mike has one.
My buddy had an Evo 8 MR with a green turbo. Shit
They
was.
got like 25 of them and made them. You guys already kind of know each other's legs.
Specifically for a neon.
Yeah.
What are these cams? Gear, sorry. OBX?
Oh, those are unorthodox gears.
Oh, I see 'em. I see 'em.
16s.
That's what's up.
In 16s?
That's crazy. Like how much chunkier it's.
Are those just covers?
Yes.
Oh,
Those are actually made for a PT Cruiser.
no doubt.
Gotta love how everything's
I
interchangeable.
gotta get those because my BC top hats look like shit.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
You haven't even seen my car and she's shitting on it. Just kidding. She's like, where is it? No, yo, it's not gonna be at a cut. No, I was joking. It looks clean though. It's nice. The original battery too.
Yeah, I gotta fix the tray though. It keeps falling. Up there. You
It's
stay.
good. Bang up your
You guys don't dislike it because she just did that.
No. I needed to hook it back underneath this, but I wasn't bothering with these bolts because if I do, they'll snap.
That happens.
Oh, we know about
You always
those.
gotta have something.
We know
messed
about
up.
those.
So they're on the things you
So
want
I'm
to
like,
do good,
the
stay
battery
good.
can only go so far, and it's got the marine terminals on it. So
Can I open the door?
Yeah.
Doo-doo. Custom interior. That is nice.
So they do high performance driving.
You guys have probably heard about her little spark plug. Everything's just pink, he says.
Yeah, we've never.
Palmer is honestly.
No, I don't have. No, I've done better. Me on a motorcycle. Never in a car. A bunch of racetracks on my bike.
Brand new turbo.
I don't know that it would be that expensive.